Hello kids, a very good morning to you. I am Monisha from Bharadasa Matriculation School, Arakonam. Today I am going to take 3rd standard social studies, our festival part 2. In that last session, we discussed about a festival and its type. Okay, there are 3 types of festival. That is, the first one is national festival, the second one is a religious festival, the third one is a harvest festival, right? Okay, today's session we are going to see about the religious festival. What is meant by religious festival? Which is nothing children, a festival which is connected with our religion. Okay, yeah, festival, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival which is W-H-C-H, the festival which is connected, C-O-N-N-E-C-T-E-D, connected with our religions, O-U-R, our religions, or E-L-I-G-I-O-N-S, religions, or said to be a religious festival, which means a festival which is connected with our religions or said to be a religious festival. We will see what are all the festival which is coming under the religious festival, right? Okay, so the festival which shows our importance of unity and integrity. Okay, so it shows our unity as well as integrity, which means the moral values of our nation. Okay, in that the first festival we are going to see here is a Holi. Holi refers to the festival of colors. Holi refers here the festival of colors. Okay, people throw colors with each other and celebrate the Holi festival. People throw the colors of each other and they will celebrate the Holi festival. Okay, listen children, you should be very careful while celebrating a Holi festival. Okay, it means we need not to use the artificial colors. Okay, you need to use a natural colors, which means we will prepare a colors which is made up of rice flour within our home itself. Okay, no need to bring a artificial colors from outside. Okay, then they will prepare a sweet called Kujia. Okay, Kujia is nothing but in we will know so much, right? In Tamil we will know so much. That is a Kujia sweet. They will prepare the Kujia sweet and they will enjoy the Holi festival. Okay, the next festival we are going to see here is Dashara festival. Okay, so what is the Dashara festival? It is nothing children. According to Ram Leela, Rama wins over the Ravana. Okay, Rama wins over Ravana. That festival is celebrated as a Dashara festival. Okay, it is celebrated in the month of October. It is celebrated in the month of October. Okay, it is almost celebrated for 10 days. It is almost celebrated for 10 days. So, what is the Dashara festival? Is according to Ram Leela, Rama wins over the Ravana. Okay, that is said to be as a Dashara festival. Okay, on that 10th day, they will burn the effigies of Ravana. Okay, see this, on this 10th day, they will burn the effigies of Ravana. So, what does mean by effigies? Effigies is nothing children, it is a model of a person, M-O-D-E-L, okay, model of a person, P-E-R-S-O-N, okay. So, on the 10th day, they will burn the model of the effigies, that means Rama wins over Ravana. In Gujarat, the Dashara festival is celebrated as a Navaratri. Okay, in the Gujarat, the Dashara festival is celebrated as Navaratri. is the next festival we are going to see here is a Durga Puja. Okay, the next festival is Durga Puja. Listen children, it is a most important festival which is celebrated in the state of West Bengal. Okay, so Durga Puja is the most important festival which is celebrated in the state of West Bengal, which means it is nothing but a Durga Mata which is destroy the monster. It is named it as a Mahishasuran. Okay, so Durga Mata enna pandranga Mahishasuran endra arakkana saavadicha dinatha da நம்ம என்னவா celebrate பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் Durga Pujawa celebrate பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். It is almost celebrated for 9 days. So Durga Puja festival it is almost celebrated for 9 days and it is also celebrated at the same time of Dashara. Okay, which means it is also celebrated in same time of Dashara festival, which means it is a month of October. Festival we are going to see here is Diwali. So word Diwali means festival of lights. Okay, the word Diwali stands for festival of lights. Okay, in that which means okay, so it removes a complete darkness of our life. Okay, it removes a complete darkness of our life. So the word Diwali stands for festival of lights. Okay, so in terms we will say like that also. Okay, the Krishna destroyed the monster, named it as a Naragasuran. Okay, so Naragasuran என்ற அரக்கனை சாவடிச்ச தினத்தை தான் நம்ம என்னவா செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் தீபாவளியா செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். So word Diwali stands for festival of lights. Yes, so on that time we will exchange our gifts. Okay, on that time we will exchange our gifts. Okay, we will wear a new dress, right? We wear a new dress. Then we will burn crackers, right? We will burn the crackers. So during a Diwali time we will exchange our gifts as well as our love and we will wear a new dress, we will burn the crackers along with our family, we will enjoy the festival. Okay, so word Diwali stands for festival of lights, which means it removes a complete darkness of our life. The next festival we are going to see here is a Raksha Bandhan. Okay, so Raksha Bandhan is a festival which is tying a Rakhi. Okay, tying a Rakhi on the right hand, tying a Rakhi on the right hand. See this picture, the sister is tying the Rakhi to her brother. Okay, so which means it is a festival which refers a tying a Rakhi. Okay, the sister pray for brothers long life and their safety. So the sister pray for long life of the brother and their safety. At the same time the brother also issue a gift to the sister, she gift or else money to her sister. Okay, so the Raksha Bandhan means the sisters tie a Rakhi on their wrist of their brother and pray for their safety and long life. The next festival we are going to see here is a Christmas festival. Okay, see Christmas, right? Okay, the Christmas festival refers the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, so birthday of Jesus Christ, which means இயேசு கிறிஸ்து பிறந்த தினத்தை தான் நம்ம என்ன ஃபெஸ்டிவலா செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் கிறிஸ்மஸ் ஃபெஸ்டிவலா செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். So Christmas is an important festival for the religion Christians, right? Okay, so Christmas festival is celebrated on 25th December. Okay, so celebrated on 25th December, that is the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay, which is celebrated by all over the world. Okay, it is celebrated by the all over the world. Okay, on that day we will decorate our home, okay, with the help of lights, candles, etc. Okay, we will buy trees, right? We will buy a Christmas trees and balls to decorate the trees. We will also tie a star in a house, right? Okay, so Christmas trees are brought and home are decorated with the light, and home are decorated with light and On that important occasion, okay, the another one is there, that is a Santa Claus. Okay, so the Santa Claus will buy a gift for children. Okay, so Santa Claus buy a gift for children. So children are eagerly waited to receive the gift from the Santa Claus. Okay, so the Christmas means we will remember Santa Claus only. Okay, so the Santa Claus bring gift for the children. Two main festivals are Eid-ul-Fitr and Eid-ul-Zuha. Okay, so the word Eid stands for feast. The word Eid stands for feast, which means, okay, the word Eid stands for feast. The Fitr refers here as the breaking of fasting. Okay, so breaking of fasting. F-A-S-T-I-N-G. Okay, so the word Fitr stands for breaking of fasting. Okay, so the Muslims' two main festival is said to be a Eid-ul-Fitr and Eid-ul-Zuha. It is nothing but, children, Eid-ul-Fitr refers the Ramzan festival. Okay, so the Eid-ul-Fitr refers to the Ramzan festival. Okay, during a Ramzan time you will know, okay, they will do a fasting, right? Okay, they will do a fasting. Okay, so that last day of the fasting is celebrated as a Ramzan festival, that is Eid-ul-Fitr, which means a breaking down of fasting. Okay, then they will prepare a sweet dishes called as a Seviyan. Okay, they will prepare a sweet dish is said to be as a Seviyan. S-E-W-I-Y-A-N. Seviyan. Okay, and they also celebrate a festival like Eid-ul-Zuha, that means a Bakrid festival. Okay, that means Bakrid festival, which how they will celebrate means by sacrificing a sheep, goat or camel. Okay, by sacrificing a sheep, goat or camel. So the two Muslims' two main festivals is said to be a Eid-ul-Fitr and Eid-ul-Zuha, which means Ramzan and Bakrid festival. The next festival you are going to see is a Guru Parva, which means the birthday of Sikh Guru. Okay, so the birthday of Sikh Guru, G-U-R-U, Guru. Okay, so that festival is referred as a Guru Parva festival. Okay, so birthday of Sikh Guru is referred as a Guru Parva festival. Most of the people go to the Gurudwar to listen the Guruvani, which means a holy book of Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, so the most of the people went to the Gurudwar to listen the Guruvani, and here they also issue the food. Okay, langar is a alms giving. It means of kitchen. Okay, alms giving kitchen. They will issue a food to the poor people as well as a needy people. Okay, so the people went to the Gurudwar to listen the Guruvani, and they also issue a food to the poor people and the needy people. The next festival is you are going to see is a Buddha Purnima. Okay, so the birthday of Buddha. Okay, so the birthday of Buddha is celebrated as a Buddha Purnima. Birthday of Buddha, B-U-D-D-H-E. Okay, so the birthday of Buddha is celebrated as a Buddha Purnima. Okay, the followers of Buddha is said to be a Buddhist. Okay, so the religion is said to be the Buddhism. Okay, the main religions is said to be the Buddhism. Okay, so the birthday of Buddha is celebrated as a Buddha Purnima. Okay, the religions which is followed by the Buddhist people is said to be the Buddhism. The next religion you are going to see here is Jainism, okay, which means the festival celebrated by the Jainism people is said to be the Mahavir Jayanti, okay, Jainism, Jainism, okay. So, the birthday of Mahavira, Lord Mahavira is said to be the Mahavir Jayanti. Okay, so the birthday of Lord Mahavira is said to be the Mahavir Jayanti. Okay, for further information, we have attached a study material, question bank and self-assessment, and go through it and do the self-assessment and check it out how much you have understood the concept. Thank you, children.